All right, this machine is rebooting again and again, and yeah, I thought Macintosh doesn't have these problems. Are you able to hear me now? All right. So I was talking about before this. I was talking about once you have gone through the SQL, go through which Excel driver, Hortonworks Excel driver you want to install, or in case you don't have Microsoft, Microsoft Windows, what you can do is you can use Talent or couple of there are these public um, Tableau. You can use public Tableau available or BERT for representing the data. Okay, and in the configuration, you can say that Hive server type is 2, and you can say the username and password selection there, and then you can mention the your login name, whatever login name you have used for HDFS, same login name, and the port to be used is 10,000. All right, and that's it. And after that you can create all of these graphs, follow this document so that you can create the full project. All right, now is the voice still breaking now, Srisha? Are you able to hear now clearly? Yeah. All right, all right, are you able to hear me clearly now? All right. So install the Microsoft Excel driver. If Microsoft Excel is not available, you can use public Tableau or BERT or any of these tools to get it done. Okay. And there are few deviations which you could do. One is change the approach. Right now, what we have done in this is for negative, we have given -1. For positive, we have given 1. And we are summing up a tweet. Okay. Instead of that, you could also do things like negative words, you put odd number. For even number, you put, uh, I mean, for even number, you put 0 or say 2. I'm sorry. So the strategy could be little bit tweaked when you are computing the overall sentiment of the tweet. Okay, you can think over it such as odd plus odd is always odd, y is even, and even plus even is even, and so on. Okay, also there won't be much of a change in this. I think the current approach of -1. Yeah, here if you look at this, I'm coming down here. uh, all right, there are other more deviations possible to this to this project. You can use pig instead of hive, then you'll have to convert the full query. You can do that, and or you can use completely different algorithm to compute the sentiment based on NLP. Have a look at this URL. It shows you various different strategies on on computing the computing the sentiment. Or you could you could also download the data by yourself using your own Flume pipeline, or you could also start afresh with a different movie. All right. Also, you can create your own programs to download the data from Twitter, and or you can also use D3JS or Tableau or BERT instead of Microsoft Excel. Okay, so there are many deviations which are possible as part of the project. So you can try any of those. This is just a quick hands-on way of analyzing data. All right. Also make sure that you run the recommendation example by yourself. Make sure that you run the recommendation example that'll give you a thought clarity. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much for today. So the timelines and everything is mentioned here. Basically, it will move one more day ahead because we have to mention the holiday of one of the days in 10th session probably. There will be a holiday somewhere. Yeah, August 16 we have to make it a holiday, right? So therefore it will move by one day. So the the lab access will be up to 6th of September. Certifications you will get by September 12th. Okay, and this is the schedule. Okay, so please submit all the work. The project submission last date is this. So submit your project. In case you get stuck, let me know. And assignment submission last date is, you have to submit all your assignment by 29th August. All right. Please submit all your assignment by 29th August. All right. Any questions for me right now? All right, great. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Also, you can ask questions on the forum and keep the forum active. I will try to reply as much as I can. And so, Santosh, for that, you just drop me an email separately. I'll let you know. Okay. So, Kirupa is saying for assignment, should we mail you? No. For all the examples or questions what we have discussed, there is a quiz available in the LMS itself. You can submit it there. Or, or for the project in Java, you can create in the GitHub. If there is a particular assignment you want to discuss right away, you drop me an email. All right, Kirupa? And great. All right. Thank you everyone for great set of questions, great set of discussions, and I hope to stay connected with you because in today's time, I mean, nobody says goodbye actually. Yeah, sure, Damodaran, drop me an email with that. Okay, so stay stay connected, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and yeah. So that way we will, if you have any questions or anything, you just drop me an email. Okay. So I'm happy, Damodaran, that I was of help, and I hope this session was useful to you. All right. So you can connect with me on LinkedIn if you have any questions. Thank you, Srisha. I'm happy that you found these sessions great. Sure, we'll keep in touch, Damodaran. Feel free to connect. All right. I'm happy, Kirupa, that you found the session great. All right. Bye bye for now. And that's pretty much. Stay connected. All right. Thank you, Damodaran. Thank you, Praveen. I'm happy that you found learning big data great. Bye bye. Have a good day. All right. Thank you very much, and stay connected. Bye bye. Bye Arvind. Bye Shrisha. Bye Kirupa. Bye Santosh. Bye Subhareddy.